For those vehicles that have the lower screen, your first choice is your climate. Turn it on, it lets you adjust the direction of the air, whether it's windshield for defrost, face or feet, or any combination thereof. And you can sync the temperatures left and right, which is selectable below. Air conditioning button is here for your compressor. Recirculate, front and rear electric defrost are down there. These are dual purpose buttons, so if you want to do the fan control, what you'll do is you'll hit the button here, it tells you what it's on, tap it and the temperature now becomes the volume of air, tap it again and now it becomes the temperature for that right side passenger. For your heated and cooled seats, simply press one of the buttons. Left is for cold for those equipped, and right is for heat to whatever degree you want. Max AC buttons are here. That'll actually go the lowest temperature possible and the highest fan. And then to do the rear air, top to front, it'll go to the rear, and then rear will go to the front, and your on-off and fan selectable are the same. Shut that off for now. All the way down, we'll shut it off after you turn off your max AC. Your seats, whether you have massage seats or not, you'll know based on what you see here. In this case, this has the heat and cooled control, or you can do your combination for your massage, and that goes for both sides. It stays on for 15 minutes and then it goes away. Next is your vehicle. For your terrain response, the first choice here is going to be selected when your motor is on. This is performance, economy, off, grass, gravel, snow, mud, sand, and rock crawling. And then general settings on the car. For your climate, you can have display changes. Do it with the buttons here, or your seats direct. You can turn on and off your massage. That's where you're going to find that.